Hey y'all, Steven from Outdoor Howdy. So today I'm gonna cook the shrimp on fire. So I'm gonna turn the fires here and I'm gonna put the shrimp and we're gonna cook it. All right, let's get the wood ready. I wanna dry wood on small pieces like those. Just put them here with the shape. Yeah, that's good. So I want a small space here. So here I'm gonna put the napkin, and you know the way I showed you when I used the olive oil. So I'm gonna use the same. I think that's good enough. Or what do you think, guys? Let me get one more. Hey, Jack. Now let me get a bigger one. I don't need that much wood, but at least we're gonna make fire also and have fun, right? This one's here, one's here, one's in the middle. Maybe I need one big. Yeah, I have a project for this wood here. I want to build some things here to make it more organized. Okay, so I'm gonna put the olive oil on the napkin. So with the olive oil, put it on the napkin. It's better than the fluid, the fire fluid. It's gonna give bad smells. But this one, it's olive oil with the napkin. The fire is gonna stay longer. That's what I like, and I didn't get any bad smells. That's how I use it. So I'm gonna put it in the bottom here. So let the let's turn on the fire. Yeah, the fire is on now. Yeah, the fire is on. But still need time. Alright, so I'm gonna start season the shrimp, and I will show you what I am gonna use. Alright, see you there. So I'm gonna use a salt, cayenne, and what's that? The paprika, and the ginger, and the red pepper, and the black pepper, lemon, mushroom, garlic, and the shrimp is here. This is the shrimp I'm gonna use. It's just 1 pound. It's not the jumbo, it's a middle. So this is how I'm gonna mix it, and I'm gonna go from there. So, okay, so I'm gonna put the shrimp here. It's a good size. It's not bad. It's not that bad. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the salt. Not too much salt. One more. More. That's it. Stop. 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 Okay. Oh my God, it's too much smoky. Yeah. And black pepper. Up. Gonna add the ginger. I like ginger. It's good. Let's put the paprika on the garlic powder. And the red pepper. Okay. Add the garlic. Well, then I'm gonna get three small big pieces. I'm not sure if that big or not. Oh, one is small. So I'm gonna slide it like this size. Using the knife. And let me get another one. Let's get the lemon. The knife on the side. Oh my god, all the smoke coming to my eyes. Okay. So what I'm clean up the seed from the lemon and cut it half and put it with it. Give some tasty, but then when it's ready, I'm gonna take it out. Oh my god, all in my eyes. Come on, smoke, stay away. I'm hungry, I wanna eat. Yeah, with this seed, maybe I'm gonna get the tree here, huh? Lemon tree. Okay, so then I'm gonna put the mushroom with it. And give him a good mix. Yeah, it should be ready and go. Then I'm gonna cook it. A lot of things I'm gonna cook it with what they call it. What they call it? Oh my god, let's fly from my brain. Oh my god, guys. When I bring it, I'm gonna show it to you. And the fire is ready. And yeah, let's start cook the shrimp. Okay, the shrimp is here. It's hot, it's hot, it's hot. Okay, this one is good enough. Take this. Yeah, I think it's good. So I'm gonna use this one, the grove. And all right. Yes. And then we can use the band here. Okay. Then I'm gonna put a little bit olive oil. This is not a little bit, guys. I'm gonna put the batter a little bit. Put the lemon with it. Yeah, see this one, it's pinky. Okay, the rest I'm gonna grill them here direct. Okay, we're gonna get different taste, different tasty. All right, I think it's ready. Yep, it is ready. All right, so now it's time to test it. Let's see what's going on. Okay, cut the head. Ooh. So, okay, so before I do that, I want to show you something, guys. I forgot. So I'm using this sauce. I got it from Costco. It's good. I like it. It's spicy, but I use it for dipped. And I'm using this spicy pepper. Oof, this is hot. Okay, let's dip it. Oh, it's good. I like it. Oh my god, the fire in my eyes again. Leave me alone. I wanna eat. You wanna eat? See, it's white from inside. It's cooked. This one, when I put it on pan, it's a little bit juicy. And this one is dry. Okay. Hey, let me test this one. I'm gonna. It's just spicy. It hits very bad. My sound is disappear. And the smoke in my eyes. What's going on today? Well, I like it. Let me get a big one. I need one. That's too spicy. Yeah, guys, that one. It's too spicy. Come on, leave me alone. Oh, that's big. Yeah, I'm crying now, guys. I'm crying because of both things. I'm crying because I don't know. I need something, guys. I need something. I don't have like unsubscribe. No, I'm kidding. The smoke in my eyes and the spicy like make me cry. And running nose. I like it, guys. Let's test the show. Where's the garlic? It's good garlic. Yeah, guys, it's good. I like it. It's awesome. You need to try it. I'm gonna put the recipe on description. So if you like it, just cook it. But don't forget, you can share the pictures on the comments. Please let me know if you like it. If you missed something, if you need more details how you cook it, let me know. If you did it, don't forget share your pictures. All right, outdoor howdy. See you next time.